Hey cruisers, I bet you're wondering, why is she wearing that scarf? Well, it is Alaska season and I have a lot of people going on trips and they're asking lots of questions about what to wear when it rains. So my biggest tip would be for you to grab some of these great pants. They're water resistant, super slick and super thin. They keep me extremely dry when I'm out touring the different ports. And they're pretty inexpensive and they can go right over top of your pants. I wear leggings pretty much all the time, so these slip right on. I don't even have to wear them off the ship if I don't want to. I can put them in my backpack, stow them away, and when I'm ready I can pull them out and slip them on really quick, and you won't even know I'm wearing two pairs of pants. But at the end of the day, when I'm heading back, I take these off and I realize I'm not even damp. So that's what you want. That's what your experience should be in Alaska. So you don't have to worry so much about whether it's going to rain. Just take this and be prepared for it. So if you have any other questions about what to wear in Alaska, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. And the link for these pants from Amazon is also in the notes.
Stay tuned for some more items to pack on your next trip and a few clips of those items being used.
Are you prone to back issues when traveling or at home? Then this is something I highly recommend taking with you. This is very small. It's not super heavy. Fits right in your luggage, and I've never had a problem traveling with it. And when you need this, pull it right out, and then you can get into the spots on your back, your shoulders that are bothering you. Because you know, the beds aren't always the greatest when you're traveling. So this is a great product to use, and I have a link in the comments for you to go ahead and order one for yourself. You can get it right on Amazon. You can get all different kinds. But I highly recommend this just in case, because you never know if your back's going to go out. So here's my tip of the day for water. When we travel, we take our mugs with us. My husband likes the Stanley mug, and I like the Hydro Flask. For me, this one's easier for me to hold. This one's too big for me, and I don't like to have to worry about trying to grab it and all that jazz. Both of them have the flip-top lids, work really well, super easy to clean, and they fit in our backpacks. Just like that. Super easy. There's a little strap you can put right through the little holder so it won't fall out. Nobody can take it from you. So this has saved us a ton of money because filling these for free at the airport is a lot cheaper than $4 a bottle for water. So if you're interested in one of these types of flasks, look in the comments for a link. And let me know if you have any other questions. Wondering what kind of backpack we use on our trips? Well, this is what we've been using for the past couple years now. This is an interesting backpack. So in the front, right there, is a pocket for your laptop, which I always have with me because I'm a travel agent. I book things all the time and I'm working all the time. And then in the middle here, it's like a suitcase. It opens up, it has little straps inside to keep your stuff snug. And there's two more pockets here that have zippers. But what's even better about it is we can put our mugs right in the side there, and they keep upright all the time, and they just, this works really well for us. So if you would like more information about this, the link for this backpack is in the comments, and if you have any other questions, just ask. Don't forget to subscribe.
Here's a clip of Michelle and I walking through Lucerne, Switzerland. You can see our backpacks and you can see my tumbler in the side pocket. Here's some of that rainy weather you had to be prepared for in Alaska. If your trip is early enough in the spring, this is right outside of Skagway. You have to be prepared for the snow also.
Thanks for watching. Click subscribe below for more content and to help us grow our channel. Ready for more? Click one of the two videos to your right. Ready to book your next trip? Message me at michelle@mytravelingowl.com or visit my website at mytravelingowl.com. I'm a certified travel advisor with the Travel Institute and an elite cruise counselor with CLIA, the Cruise Line International Association.